Guys, welcome to this another video session on Python series. So in this video, we will be covering upon what are classes and objects and how we can work with classes and objects in Python. So what's a class? Class is a real world entity. It's like an object constructor. And what is object? Object is an instance of a class. It's an instance of a class. Or you can treat it class as a blueprint for creating any objects. One more thing, when you are creating a class should not be an empty class. You have to pass anything in that class when you are using Python. If you don't want to pass, you can use a pass keyword. So it will remove that exception in that case. For creating a class, you have to use a class keyword. In this video, we will be covering upon that. So let's do one thing. We have some lecture 32, I think, and we have to create a new lecture 33. By the way, one more thing, if you want to learn Java, we have started our Java shorts. You can watch that shorts video. Soon we will be covering with the practicals as well, where the full series will come soon later on. Let me create one class here. By the way, I'm not able to see what I'm writing here. It's white is you can say go TV starts. Let's do TV starts. By the way, TV starts, and this I have to write a pass keyword. When I write the pass keyword, it's working absolutely fine. Now what I can do, I can create some instance of a class. Like how I can create an instance of a class. So I have to create some variable. For that, let's create one meet variable. Now I want the instance of this class. So how will be using this? I have to use TV starts and this one. If you are working with ASP.NET MVC or C#, what you do, you create var and then variable name equal to new and that class name. You do that. Now what I can do, I can assign some variables here, some parameters here. How I can assign some parameter? For example, I have meet dot name. Name is a parameter. Her name is obviously meet only. If we talk about meet dot profession, I have some profession and it's equal to what SP. Let's give an SP. You can see policeman. She's working the police, and what you can do. Let's keep only two variable for now. Okay, this is how I can assign different parameters to that classes. What I can do, I have to create an object for that object. So I have to use meet, and you can write any variable name and then the class name parenthesis dot meet dot parameter name. This is how you can say. For let me print this, and let me print what I have to print. I have to print meet dot name. By the way, I'm not getting the solution. I think so. I'm getting meet. Similar way, you can go with the profession as well. It's very easy for you work with. I'm getting SP. This is how you can work with different. You can create different instance of one class. You can create one more using meet after. Instead of meet, you can use every that kind of stuff. So this was a video where we covered upon what are classes and what are objects, and later on we will be covering upon some other things and sure we will cover upon some other topics as well. For now, and also follow our Java series. If you want to follow the Java series, I will meet you in some other video. Till then, bye.